How to activate CASHPLUS credit card. To activate your CASHPLUS credit card, you can follow these steps. Activate via online. Visit the CASHPLUS official website, www.cashplus.com. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the card activation section and enter the required details, such as your card number and security code. Follow the prompts to complete the activation. Activate via mobile app. Download the CASHPLUS mobile app. Log into your account. Select the option to activate your card. Enter the necessary card details and follow the prompts. If you encounter any issues during activation, contact CASHPLUS customer support for assistance. CASHPLUS also offers a standby margin facility to increase purchasing power. Thanks for watching.